In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade with leverage on Kraken Pro. Leverage trade on Kraken. Trading with leverage on Kraken Pro gives you the ability to open positions that are larger than the balance you actually have. By borrowing funds from Kraken, this can amplify both profits and losses. So it's important to understand how it works before using it. When you log into Kraken Pro, the first step is to make sure that margin trading is enabled on your account. You can check this in your account settings under Trading Preferences. Kraken usually requires account verification before allowing margin, and not all regions are supported. So you'll want to confirm your eligibility first. Once margin is enabled, you can fund your spot wallet with the crypto or cash you want to use as collateral. On the Kraken Pro trading interface, choose the trading pair you want to trade, for example BTC, USD. In the order form, you'll see an option to select leverage. Kraken offers leverage up to 5x on most pairs, which means you can open a position 5 times larger than your collateral. For example, if you have $200 in collateral and select 5x leverage, you can open a position worth $1,000. When placing an order, you can choose between market and limit orders just as you would in normal spot trading. The key difference is that you're borrowing funds from Kraken to increase your position size. Once the order is live, you'll be able to monitor your margin level, which is the ratio of your equity to the borrowed amount. If your margin level falls too low because the trade goes against you, Kraken may issue a margin call or liquidate your position automatically to prevent further losses. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.